of days. This is where I want to be. You lick your loved one so much.